Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your home page in Chrome. It's really simple and easy. So just open the Chrome web browser. Now the default home page in Chrome is look like this Google search page right here. That's default. When you open your browser, you will come to the Google search page. If you click on the little house up here, it will bring you to your home page. If you open a new tab by clicking on this plus icon up here, it opens in the Google search web page. To customize the Google home page, navigate to the web page that I want to add as my home page. Say that I want to add this website. Just for an example, I will use this website here. First thing I'm going to do is I am go up to the address bar, place my cursor in here. I want to copy that URL. Right click, copy, and then you have to click on these three dots here in the top right corner. Then go down to settings. Now in the pane of the left hand side here, click on this appearance, and then right in here show home button. By default new tab page is toggled on. You want to toggle on this button. Here you want to enter a custom web address. I'm going to toggle that on, and then I'm going to paste it in that web address that I had copied. Press Ctrl V to paste in that web address. Now if you go up to top up here, and you will see little house up here. Click on that house. It will bring you your home page. I'm going to click on the little house here, and it takes me to that URL that I had pasted in there. You could use any URL that you would like to use. I just use this one for an example. So that is how you customize your home page in Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.